Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here, and today I want to talk about a course that I recently took on Udemy called the Business Intelligence Analyst Course 2018. This course caught my attention as it promises to teach the essential skills needed to become a successful business intelligence analyst. I was particularly drawn to this course as it covers a range of topics that I believe are crucial for anyone looking to pursue a career in data analysis and business intelligence. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of the business intelligence field and the role of the business intelligence analyst within an organization. It covers topics such as data analysis, data visualization, and data storytelling, which are essential for anyone looking to work in the field. The course also teaches students how to use tools such as Excel, Power BI, and Tableau to analyze and present data effectively. This course is ideal for anyone who is interested in pursuing a career in business intelligence or data analysis. It is suitable for beginners as it starts with the basics and gradually builds up the complexity of the topics covered. However, it is also a great option for those with some experience in the field who are looking to expand their skill set and learn more about the latest tools and techniques. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of business intelligence. The first module provides an introduction to the field and the role of the business intelligence analyst, while subsequent modules delve into topics such as data analysis, data visualization, and data storytelling. The course also includes several hands-on exercises and projects, which allow students to apply the skills they have learned. Some of the specific topics covered in the course include data collection and cleaning. This section covers the process of collecting and preparing data for analysis, including techniques for cleaning and transforming data. Data analysis. Students will learn how to perform data analysis using tools such as Excel and Power BI, including how to create dashboards and reports. Data visualization. This section focuses on the art of presenting data in a visually appealing and informative way, using tools such as Tableau. Data storytelling. Students will learn how to create compelling stories using data, including techniques for presenting data to stakeholders and making data-driven decisions. While the course itself is comprehensive, it is recommended that students supplement their learning with additional resources. The course instructor provides a list of recommended readings, which include books and articles on business intelligence, data analysis, and related topics. These readings can provide further insights and help students to deepen their understanding of the subject matter. Overall, I was impressed with the quality and depth of the content covered in this course. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of the topics covered. The hands-on exercises and projects were particularly useful as they allowed me to apply the skills I had learned and see the practical applications of business intelligence. I would highly recommend this course to anyone who is interested in pursuing a career in business intelligence or data analysis, or who is looking to expand their skills in this field. If you're looking to gain a solid foundation in business intelligence and data analysis,